In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to landscape in Canva. If you've ever started with a portrait design and then realized you actually need a wider landscape layout, this can feel frustrating at first. The good news is that Canva makes the process much easier than rebuilding everything manually. Instead of moving every text box, image, and graphic one by one, you can use Canva's built-in resizing tools to quickly adapt your design to a horizontal format. To begin, make sure you open your project inside Canva's actual editing workspace. This is important because the orientation and resizing controls only appear when a design is open in the editor. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design in the top right area, then either open an existing vertical project or start a new one so the editor loads fully on your screen. Once your design is open, move your attention to the top toolbar. On the left side of that upper bar, look for the option called Magic Switch, or in some cases, Resize and Magic Switch. Click it once, and Canva will open a panel on the left side of the screen with the available resizing and format options. Inside that panel, you'll set your new landscape dimensions. You can choose custom size if you want to enter your own width and height, or you can select a preset that already uses a landscape format, such as a presentation, flyer, or desktop wallpaper. If you're converting a portrait design into landscape manually, the key thing to remember is that the width should be larger than the height. For example, a vertical 1080 by 1920 design would become 1920 by 1080 in landscape. After choosing your preset or entering the custom dimensions, click Continue or Next at the bottom of the panel. Canva will then generate a preview so you can see how your design elements may shift, resize, and reposition in the new horizontal layout. Take a moment here to review everything carefully. This preview helps you spot anything that may need slight adjustment before finalizing the change. When you're ready, go to the bottom of the panel and choose Copy and Resize. This is the best option because it creates a new landscape version without replacing your original portrait file. Canva will open the resized design in a new tab or window, and from there you can make any final tweaks using Canva's alignment guides to keep everything neat and balanced. If needed, use the lock icon on the top toolbar to secure elements in place while you finish editing. That's it. You now know how to change to landscape in Canva quickly and cleanly while keeping your original design safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.